Math Marbles, we're going to look at another set of two-step equations, but they don't look like two steps because they have some other things going on. So here we have one where we have to distribute. We have a factor outside of the parentheses, so it does not look like our typical ax plus b equals c form, which is what we want. So let's simplify this out. We're going to distribute, and we're going to get 1/3 s minus 12 over 3 is equal to 9. Now this is looking more like what we like. We're going to simplify it a little bit more. 1/3 s minus 4 is equal to 9. Now it looks like the type of equation we want. So let's start by getting rid of that constant by creating a zero pair. We're going to add its opposite. Notice this time I'm doing it vertically, so it's a little bit easier to look at. And they still make a zero pair, leaving me with 1/3 s and 13 on the other side. And for my coefficient, remember I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal 3 over 1. And I want to do that so I get 3 over 3, which is the same as just 1s. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. We're going to multiply it by 3 over 1, which will give us 39. So that's it for this one. Nice and easy. We don't have to be scared of having fractions. Let's try it out by just checking our work. Put it all the way back in the beginning. And we have 1/3 times 39 minus 12 is equal to 9. Okay. 39 minus 12 is the same as 27. And 1/3 times 27 over 1. Well, yeah, I get 27 over 3, which is equal to 9. So this one is correct. We'll do one more for practice here. We have negative 2/5. And I wanted this on purpose for a reason, because now I have negative 2/5 x. I wanted to see think through what happens when we have a negative and a variable. And we multiply on the other side, negative 2/5 times 15, I get positive 30/5 is equal to 4. We'll simplify this out a little more, and 30 divided by 5 just gives us 6 over 4. All right, we know what to do. We're going to add the opposite. So we're going to add a negative 6 over here and add a negative 6 over here. And that's going to leave us, this is zero pair, negative 2/5 x is equal to negative 2. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. I know I have to multiply by that opposite as a reciprocal. But if I do that, I'm still going to end up with just negative 1x, and I don't want that. So I'm going to put a negative sign in the front. Okay, so we're going to multiply by negative 5 over 2. Why are we doing that again? Because a negative times a negative will give us a positive. So you'll end up with positive 10 over 10, which is the same thing as just positive 1x. So that's why I'm being very, very specific about that part. Okay? All right, we'll do the same thing to the other side, and we end up with negative 2 times negative 5, which is positive 10 over 2. X is equal to 5. And we'll go and we'll check our work. Let's make sure it actually works. So negative, sometimes it happens, negative 2/5 times 5 minus 15 is equal to 4. Negative 2/5 times 5 minus 15, that's going to give me negative 10. Okay, and now we're going to multiply these out. Negative 2/5 times 10 over 1, negative 10 over 1 is negative 20. Or, sorry, positive 20. The negative times negative is positive. So 20 over 5 is equal to 4, and that is a true statement. 4 is equal to 4. So that's it, Math Marbles. Sometimes you're going to get equations that look super tricky like this, and we want to get them into our ax plus b equals c form. And the way to do that is we have to simplify both expressions. Once they're completely simplified and our variable is on one side, we can solve it using our 1-2 step. All right, Math Marbles, that's it for today. Be well.